Here's something surprising. So nearly 7 out of 10 Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. And it's not because anyone's doing anything wrong. People are working hard and doing the best they can, but prices rose faster than income thanks to good old inflation. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 6 real money problems based on data people are dealing with right now. And most importantly, the exact ChatGPT prompts you can use to help solve those problems. And a quick disclaimer, this is educational only. Please always do your own research. All right, let's get into it. So, number 1 is credit cards. Credit cards are one of the biggest pain points for people right now. The interest rates are crazy high. You're looking at around 20 to 24%, and almost half the country is carrying a balance every month. And it's not that people don't want to pay them off. Sometimes they just don't know the fastest or the cheapest way to start making progress. And that's where ChatGPT really makes this simple. And let me show you the exact prompt that I'm typing in for these credit cards. We're gonna be switching over to my computer screen right now. What you're gonna do is add your own information, add or subtract what you would like to fit your specific needs. So here's the prompt. Here are my credit card balances and interest rates. Please create the fastest payoff plan using both the avalanche method and snowball methods. Card 1, 5,200 at 24%. Card 2, 3,450 at 19%. Card 3, 1,900 at 15%. I can afford $350 a month extra to pay off. Explain both methods, show payoff timelines, and compare them to a 0% balance transfer, and when would be the best time to apply for a 0% balance transfer card after making some progress. And then once we do that, it is going to give us which method is fastest, how long each one takes, total interest paid, and whether a 0% balance transfer will help, and when the best time to actually apply for one after we make some progress. 2 seconds, bang, bang. So number 2 is no money left after paying bills. We're talking about making a steady income, but still feeling broke at the end of the month. Right now, a lot of people are making between $3,000 to even over $5,000 a month and still feel like they're falling behind. And most of the time, it's not overspending, it's just not having a clear picture on where all the money is going. So let me show you what that prompt looks like so you can follow along. Switching screens now. All right, now that we're back, we're gonna paste our prompt to refine our budget. It looks something like this. I make $3,000 a month after taxes. Here are my expenses. Please calculate my total spending, show where I'm overspending, and build a realistic budget I can follow. Also give me 5 ways to reduce costs without hurting my quality of life. Rent is $1,200, groceries $550, utilities $180, internet $65, car payment $290, car insurance $110, gas $150, cell phone $80, subscription $60, and miscellaneous $120. Go ahead and click enter. Oh baby, and it's gonna start breaking it down for us in such a beautiful way. So what ChatGPT is gonna do is gonna total everything. It's gonna highlight our overspending, and it's gonna give us realistic cuts that we can actually follow without making our lives miserable. So cool. All right, back to me on camera. But now I want to talk about something that quietly destroys people's finances. And that leads us to number 3, the car payment versus investing comparison. So studies show that Americans still have a car obsession. The average car payment in 2025, we're talking combining both new and used car loans, is now over $600. And that single payment bombs on your finances in 3 different ways most people never think about. It took me a lot of years and a lot of pain to learn this. Here's the prompt you use to generate the car payment versus investing comparison. I have $633 per month I can afford on a new car. Should I finance a car for 68 months or pay cash for an affordable car and invest that same amount monthly into VTI or another diversified ETF at a realistic 7% annual return? Please show me total car cost, interest paid, depreciation, total investment value, long-term opportunity cost, and a clear side-by-side comparison. And we click enter. And now ChatGPT will show you the total cost of the car loan, the exact interest paid, how much value the car loses, how much your $633 per month would grow if invested, the long-term difference between both choices, and a direct comparison so you can instantly see the true cost with whatever choice you end up making. So that leads us into number 4, getting started with investing. So investing can feel overwhelming and definitely intimidating because there's so many damn options. But again, ChatGPT can make it easier by breaking everything down based on your goals and, most importantly, your risk tolerance. I'll pop that prompt up on the screen right now. All right, let's paste our investment prompt into ChatGPT so it can help us figure this out and get us started. It looks something like this. I have $2,000. I want to grow it safely over time. Show me safe, medium, and high risk options. Explain the pros and cons of each. Also show a 3-year growth example and what I'd have if I added $100 a month. I'm going to go ahead and click enter. And ChatGPT nicely lays out high yield savings accounts, CDs, index funds, ETFs, stocks, crypto, expected returns, risk levels, and growth examples all in one view. So that leads us to number 5, make more money. Sometimes people don't have a spending problem, they have an income problem. Most people already have the skills they could turn into income right now. They just don't realize it, or they don't know how or where to get started. So let me show you the exact prompt so you can tailor it to your skills and get started making some more money today. I need to make $500 extra per month. Here are my skills and schedule. Basic computer skills, writing, cooking, and customer service. I'm available after 6 p.m. and on weekends. Give me realistic side hustles with pay ranges, how long they take, and simple steps to start. Also show which ones fit me best. We're going to click enter. And ChatGPT will proceed to give us online options, local weekend jobs, pay ranges, time estimates, and recommendations tailored to your schedule. Also, we can start that journey and bringing in some more income to improve our lives. So that leads us into number 6, which is a 12-month financial plan. Most people don't have a long-term financial plan because nobody taught them how or the importance of having one. But ChatGPT can give you a full 12-month roadmap in seconds. So let me put that prompt up on the screen real quick. This one is super powerful. And it looks something like this. I'm 35. I make $48,000 a year. I have $6,000 in credit card debt. I have $1,500 saved. My goals are to build an emergency fund, pay off debt, and start investing. Please create a simple 12-month plan, month by month. And ChatGPT so nicely maps out for us what to do first, when to save, when to attack debt, when to try to grow our income, when to start investing. Also, you can follow this step by step and even ask questions during your journey. It just makes it so easy to where you don't have to map out everything on your own anymore, and you can see it right in front of your face. All right, let's wrap this up. Back on me. So if you use these prompts in this video, you'll be ready to tackle real challenges. We're talking about debt, investing, income, planning. And in the description under the resources, you'll find every prompt that we covered here today. And please feel free, add or remove any details you want so it fits your situation exactly how you need it. There's also a free PDF down there in the description, and that's going to cover beginning and advanced tactics with using ChatGPT. Please drop a like if this video helped you. Please share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time.